Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to run the cloud classification scripts. This project is implemented in two ways. One is it is implemented using CPU enabled script, which is the cloud underscore combine. It can also be run using a GPU enabled script, which is a notebook cloud classify GPU. First I'm going to show how to run it with the CPU enabled script. For that, you can download this repository as a zip file. I have already downloaded it and it's in my downloads folder. Here is the downloaded repository. I'm going to copy the cloud underscore combine script and put it inside a project folder. For that, I'm going to create a new folder and name it as cloud classify. Today to run the scripts, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to the terminal in Visual Studio Code. I'm going to change the terminal to command prompt and create a virtual environment to run the script. To create a virtual environment, you can copy this command and paste it in the command prompt. This will create a virtual environment called cloud classify-vnv. Now the virtual environment is created. The next step is to activate the virtual environment. For that, you can copy this command and paste it in the command prompt and click on enter. Now I can see the virtual environment is activated. The next step is to install the Python packages. Today I am going to use pipe to install all the required packages for the script. This will take few minutes. Now the packages has been finished installing. The next step is to download the training dataset for the script. You can click on this link and download this SAV file. Since the file size is very huge, it will take few minutes to download. Let's download it. The file download is complete now. Now the next step is to run the script. This script accepts an argument called flag. The default value for the flag is detection. If you want to change the flag value to rainy cloud, you can copy this command and run it. Now I'm going to run the script for value rainy cloud. Now you can notice the script started running the model. It is executing this part of the script where the flag is rainy cloud. Here you can notice the epoch is 100. So it will run for 100 epochs. Now it just started for the first epoch. Now in the terminal, you can notice the first epoch has been finished running. And here you can notice the accuracy is 85.24%. Once the script has been finished running, you will see a new folder called my_model. This is the folder where you will see the output of the script. The keras_metadata and saved_model. Thanks for watching this video.